This is the story of Blondie, a little bird who may have lost his feathers but never his strength. He's living proof that beauty isn't about appearance, and a fragile body can still hold an unbreakable spirit. Blondie was just a year old when we noticed something wasn't right. His feathers began falling out, first on his head and belly, then spreading gradually. We rushed him to the vet. Parasites? No. The vet casually suggested stress, but we knew it was something more. Blondie wasn't just losing feathers. He was losing himself. He became quiet, withdrawn, sad. We were heartbroken and desperate for answers. Then one evening, while scrolling through Instagram, I stumbled upon a post about a bird diagnosed with PBF, cystatocene beak and feather disease. The symptoms matched Blondie's perfectly. I spent sleepless nights digging into research, stories, and medical journals, and every sign pointed to the same conclusion. Blondie had PBF. There is no cure. His feathers would never grow back. The news hit hard, but I refused to let it define Blondie's future. He was fragile then, barely moving, unable to fly, eyes dull and posture tense. But I wasn't going to give up on him. I started holding him close, like a baby, and slowly reintroduced him to the world. I made soft, safe play areas low to the ground. I brought him warmth and comfort, with special lamps, cozy blankets, and our own arms. And something amazing happened. Blondie began to come alive again. He started exploring, climbing, and jumping. He smiled with his beak, tilted his head in the silliest ways, and made grumpy little noises when something bothered him. His skin, now bare, was dry and warm like a rough little palm. He got cold easily, especially in the mornings, so we made sure he was always wrapped in warmth and love. He falls sometimes, but I'm always there to catch him. The disease is a part of Blondie's story, but it doesn't define him. He's playful, curious, and full of energy. He yells when excited, laughs with his squeaky little voice, and snuggles when he wants comfort. He's got his favorite places: a cozy corner with stuffed animals, a sunny window ledge, and anywhere music plays. He especially loves the piano. When slow melodies play, he freezes, listening intently, like he understands every note. Blondie can't fly, but that doesn't make him any less free. I admire him, his strength, his personality, his endless curiosity. Despite everything, he chooses joy, and that inspires me every single day. If Blondie's story touched your heart, please like, comment, and subscribe.